Hello everyone! Today we're going to be talking about turning your health and fitness centers into socially progressive centers for green energy production and health. How do health and fitness centers and renewable energy go together? Well, millions of people exercise every day. According to the laws of thermodynamics, this is energy that cannot be destroyed, so it is currently just being wasted. However, there is a way to harness that energy and use it. Various companies, such as Sports Art, have released energy-generating models of exercise equipment that convert the customer's work into energy which can power your facilities. These machines are only somewhat more expensive than standard exercise machines, but they are not well known, so there is still low uptake. So, by helping you transition your machines, this initiative strives to secure your industry's place in the changing market by forming a collaboration between the health and fitness industry and the renewable energy industry. The market is shifting away from unsustainable and unequitable practices and excessive waste, and people want to contribute to society in a positive way and support companies that do the same. The current health industry provides great services, but it is wasteful and expensive. These attributes will be detrimental to your position in the changing market, so this initiative will help the health and fitness industry meet this change head-on and begin its transformation so that your successes may continue to grow, you can be an energy leader, and you can help society thrive. The chart on the right indicates that human-generated energy from your facilities could be combined with natural energy such as solar and wind to create a new mix of renewable energy to society. By replacing your existing exercise equipment with energy-generating models, you will build a sustainable reputation around your health and fitness organizations, marketing them as companies who are prioritizing the safety and security of the people's future over the immediate profits of choosing the least expensive machines. This partnership will increase the business of the manufacturers while decreasing the initial costs of the equipment for your centers. Since you all are large, successful organizations with many cardio machines that can be transitioned, you have been chosen to participate in this initiative first. Many of your facilities look like the picture on the left depicting numerous machines ready to transition. Ideally, by the end of this year, we would like to have at least 5 of you join our mission, if not more, so that we can get machines to your facilities and begin monitoring their successes in real time by the middle of next year. Once more organizations join, the machines can be produced on a larger scale, their prices can drop, and even more organizations can afford to participate. As you can see, this initiative does not have an end date. This is because its goal is to transform the health and fitness industry by normalizing human-generated energy. Eventually, the health industry and power industries will be interconnected, and these machines will be standardized. Ideally, 1 year will be enough time to get numerous participants and for citizens to start to see that their efforts are contributing to society. The longer this initiative lasts, the more successful it could become and the more it could benefit society. There are countless benefits to participating in this initiative. First, the health and fitness industry's audience is currently limited to people who are interested enough in maintaining their health and fitness to prioritize it. But this initiative would expand your audience to include people who also prioritize sustainability, equity, and a circular economy and want to help however they can. A larger audience with more reasons to frequent your facilities means more customers for you, thus more profits and the potential to generate more energy. Second, the renewable energy industry is the future, and it is only a matter of time before humanity simply cannot rely on fossil fuels anymore, regardless of any factors other than just depletion. The health and fitness industry could drag its feet and wait around until it must make changes while ignoring the harm it is causing the planet through its immense fossil fuel use. Or you could act now and be leaders for this sustainable change, which would secure your niche in this renewable energy sector and in the changing market. Third, the more energy is generated in your facilities, the lower your energy bill will be. With this decrease in operation costs, you can lower your membership fees, which will allow lower income groups to afford your fitness machines and beneficial health programs. This population would have access to more health opportunities than many of them have currently, which shows society that you prioritize equity and the well-being of the people. This initiative would protect your triple bottom line by equally emphasizing people, planet, and profits, which, as shown in the image to the left, are all important in being a sustainable organization. Therefore, this initiative will secure your position as a socially progressive center for renewable energy production and health. Again, the biggest cost associated with this initiative is the initial cost of the machines, which range anywhere from $3,000 to $11,000 depending on whether you choose a bike, cycle, cross-trainer, elliptical, or treadmill. As you can see in the image at the top, There are many energy-generating models to choose from just by sports art alone, and they are quite stylish. Since the new machine is simply replacing an old machine, no change of routine would occur, and there would be no risk other than losing the initial capital investment. Over time, the money you save on your energy bill can decrease your membership costs, which will attract more customers and earn more profits. Every time the machine is used, it is working towards paying for itself and reducing your energy bill, something that your current machines cannot do. This green energy would help your health centers lower their electric bills, which will reduce the demand on current energy facilities in your area. This will not only decrease greenhouse gas emissions where your facilities are located, it will also alleviate pressure on traditional power plants, providing them space to decommission and transition to renewable energy sources. Some of your newer, more energy-efficient facilities may even be able to generate enough energy to cover the cost of the facility's energy bill, so any excess energy could be directed back into the grid, making the area more sustainable and decentralized. Thus, the risk is very low, and the potential for countless rewards for you and for society is very high. If you choose to participate, you will be placed in contact with manufacturers of energy-generating exercise equipment and given various options to select from. Once your order has been placed, the manufacturing companies will ship their equipment to you. Once installed, you will be provided with information and media that you can share to advertise your new machines and position in the market. This initiative will continue to monitor the success of these machines in your facilities to determine what variables have the greatest impact on their use and energy production, and changes will be made on a continual basis to ensure the implementation is as effective as possible. Furthermore, as shown in the image on the left, companies like SportsArt already have apps where users can track how much energy they have generated, how much fossil fuel energy was avoided, and how many emissions were not produced thanks to their efforts. This process will be repeated until energy-generating models are standardized and the health and fitness industry has secured its new role in sustainability and equity. Many of your gyms and health centers have websites and social media, and this initiative will provide advertisements you can display to promote the new machines in their facilities. You can offer a promotion that takes a discount off 1 month's membership fee to try out the machines even and provide feedback, and you can offer rewards for participating. People can use the machine's app to share their progress on their own social media, bragging about how much energy they just generated for society. This will encourage others to visit your center and try the machines themselves, which will increase your business and provide funding for your facility to transition more machines. The image on the right is a snapshot of the infographic I created about this initiative for leaders such as yourselves, which informs about the problem, the changing market, and how much energy a facility could save by transitioning machines. Human-generated energy is renewable energy by the people, for the people. This initiative will position the health and fitness industry securely in the renewable energy sector, as well as further develop your brand of providing equitable health services. The changing market will not be able to replace you because your organizations will be a crucial combination of equitably distributed health services and renewable energy production. The outcome of this initiative will be for your facilities to become more sustainable by relying more on human-generated energy and less on non-renewable, dirty energy sources. This would align your industry with the UN Sustainable Goal number 7, as depicted on the left, which strives to ensure that everyone has access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy. If successful, human-generated energy could account for enough input to be included in the renewable energy mix, and more populations of people will benefit from these services. This could change the face of the health and fitness industry by making it a socially progressive industry for green energy production and health. By contributing to renewable energy, health, and equity, it would have a defined and stable position under an ecological economic system. You all have an amazing influence over the direction of your facilities. I implore you to use this influence not only to help the planet and people, but to secure your organization's place and profits in our changing economy as well. This initiative will prepare your industry for the upcoming market changes that will heavily be geared towards addressing climate change and social inequalities, which will help ensure that you not only stay in business, but become a leader in sustainability and equity to drive the new economy. Thank you.